Welcome to my channel. Today we do question number 8 from worksheet 4. Question number 8 is log x plus 1 upon log x whole square dx. We break it into two integrals. First one is log x dx plus second one is 1 upon log x whole square. We take it to numerator. So it becomes log x to power minus 2 dx. Now we integrate first integral by integration by parts, by using integration by parts. So we suppose 1 as second function here. It is first function and it is second function. Now first function as it is log x. Integration of second function which is 1. So integration of 1 is x minus differentiation of first function. Differentiation of first function is log x. So differentiation of it is 1 upon log x. Now we differentiate log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. Write it here. It is the differentiation of log x. Now we integrate second function. Second function is x dx. It is the integration of log x from here to here, and now we write log x to power minus 2 as it is. X is cancelled out from x. X log x minus, we take it to the numerator, so it becomes log x to power minus 1. Now we suppose 1 here plus log x to power minus 2. Suppose it as first function and 1 as second function. Now we do it by integration by parts again. X log x minus first function as it is log x to power minus 1, integration of second function which is x minus differentiation of first function. First function is log x to power minus 1, so its differentiation is minus 1 to power log x, minus 1 log x to power minus 2. Now differentiation of log x is 1 upon x and integration of 1 is x dx minus plus log x to power minus 2 as it is. Now x log x, we open it with minus x, take it to the denominator, log x to power plus 1. Minus 3 minuses we have, so finally it becomes minus log x to power minus 2 dx plus log x to power minus 2 dx. Now these two integrals are same but have opposite signs, so these integrals cancelled out each other. So our answer is x log x minus x upon log x plus c. It is the answer of this question. Thank you very much.